Power BI is a leading business intelligence and analytics tool, and it can help us getting great insights. These insights can help data-driven decision making in the organization. So let's take an example and see how Power BI can help us. We have this retail dashboard, which is basically created on the retail data, and we can analyze this data to see how this store is performing. So at first look at it, you can see that the sales for the organization is going up, but discounts are also going up and margin is negative, and it has come down this year, the last year where we are looking at it. Prior to that, it has gone little bit up in the positive direction from 240 to minus 177, means minus 240 to minus 177, which means we have reduced our losses, but again we have incurred losses more than 2017 in 2018. So we would like to analyze what are the reasons behind it. So we have data brand wise, we have data age group wise, we have data customer income wise, nationality wise, and city and state wide. And we can analyze this data and see where actually we are making losses. So let's drill into one of the brand and check it out. Now, when we drill into the Dell, what we see is that actually the sales has grown, the discount has gone up, but not so great to push the margins. So Dell has slowly coming into the positive direction, though we have made losses, but it can become positive very soon if we focus there. Let's look at the Lenovo. Lenovo is going down into the negative direction and we are losing high. So the sales is coming at the cost of discount. Samsung, same thing we are seeing here. Apple, again, the same trend. Now click back on the Apple. So the filter will get removed, and let's look at the age income groups. Now in the income group, let's look at the lowest income group of 60 to 80K and see how it is behaving. And it is behaving in the same manner as overall margins. The margins are actually better in this income group, not following the same trend like the overall margin. The discount and sales are going up, but margins is actually slightly reduced in negative direction. So it means we are going in positive by $4,000 or $5,000. Now let's look at the highest income group, how it is behaving. The highest income group is also taking us into the positive margin direction, though it is negative right now. Now let's look at the 100 to 150K. It went slightly down into the negative direction. 125 to 200K, it again went down. Now let's see the highest highest income group once more, and let's try to analyze in this highest business income group what else we can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the filters and select this highest income group, and let us try to analyze other things. Now in the highest income group, how Dell is behaving. It's showing the positive direction, but we have seen Dell little bit negative, but not so big as we have seen in the past. But you can see Apple is not behaving so bad in the highest income group as it was behaving overall. So here it is moving towards the zero, or actually it is already showing some positive margins. So it has actually crossed the negative barriers, and in the last year it has given us the positive margin. Let's look which age group is helping us out. So I again double click here and can remove all the filters, and let's look at the youngest age group, and we can say the profitability is intact. Next age group, we see 30 to 35 age group. It's not so great with the highest income group. 35 to 40 also not doing so great. 50 above we are doing great. So now let's look at the combination of these things with Apple. So let's select the brand as Apple and try to see how we are doing in different age groups with Apple. So we now only have one brand, Apple, and we see in the young age group we are doing good. In the 35 to 40 we are doing good. 40 to 50 we are not doing so great. 30 to 35 we are not going so good. So what we are seeing is basically We are doing good between the very young age and the age where people are a little bit comfortable and not uncertain about their career, 35 to 40. But in the age of changing and or the age where the kids are growing, the age where we are seeing that we are not getting so much profitability. So our age group of target should be somewhere between 25 to 35. So or 25 to 40 age group is where the Apple products can give us more benefit. This is just a sample data. Don't take it like this is the results of the research, because this is something we have created by manipulation, but every data has a meaning. And as you can see, we are able to drive out insight even from the data which we have manipulated and created. So every data has a story, and Power BI can help you to come out with that story to take data driven decision making. The new features like AI visuals can further help you to bring in the insights very quickly. So there are other examples which we would like to show you here, like financial dashboard, financial statement inside that one, customer profitability, then we have margin analysis there, team scorecard, executive dashboard, retail analysis, and sales and marketing. So do let us know how you want Power BI to help you to take better decisions. At Kanerika, we are there to help you with our expert BI team to make sure that your investment in Power BI result in great outcomes.